Hi everyone, this is Outdoorsman Channel. Today we're talking about hard steering on a 2005 Sea Ray Sun Deck. So steering wheel is extremely hard to turn. Wasn't sure what it was. We isolated it to the steering cable and we tried lubricating it, which didn't work, but I want to give you an idea of the difference in motion of the cable. So this is cables on the ground. We just got this cable out. This is the old one. This is the new one. And this one is impossible to move by hand, and the new one is like nothing. So I'll show you, give you an idea what that looks like. So this is the new cable. So easy as this to slide, super easy. Old one, you can't even move it. It's extremely hard. Doesn't even move. So not sure why that is, but anyway, it's an older boat. We're gonna put this back in. It wasn't awful to take out. A lot of zip ties on the cable harness. You had to get behind the dashboard, pull that apart, get in there and work on it. So we're gonna put this back in, but I'm sure this is the problem, and good luck with your project. This is a 15-foot cable, and we tried lubricating it from the steering wheel side down using some automatic transmission fluid to see if we could get the seat down in it, but that didn't work at all. The way to get this cable out, you disconnect it at the power steering assembly. We tied a rope onto the end, which has got a pinhole for clevis pin in there, and we pulled it through to the front towards the steering wheel. Okay, so this gives you a little idea what we're doing here. This is the new cable. We got a rope on it. It's the back of the dashboard. There's the pinion. So you can see that. The rack we got. Got a feed down there. Got to take this back section out. Took a couple screws out. And the cable goes down in there, so hopefully it'll go in easily as it came out. I'll let you know. We also have a rope coming out through here, and it goes under the water tank around there, and that's where the cable's gonna come out to end up back over here. So we were able to get the steering cable in, and made all the difference in the world. The steering, with the engine off and it's outdrive connected, it's like nothing compared to the way it was before. The whole process of doing it, there's 4 bolts behind on the pinion behind the steering assembly here. You pull those off, and then you got to pull the rack out that way, and basically there's a lot of cable ties, and you just got to get access to it to the best that you can. It wasn't actually as bad as we thought it was going to be. It kind of went back in easy, and it's just unbelievable difference. So I'm pretty happy we found the problem. We tried to cut the cable to figure out what exactly was the problem, but we couldn't get it apart. But maybe later on we'll try that. So thanks for watching. I would highly recommend, in a boat this age anyway, to look at the steering cable. Again, look at the links at the end of the video. The steering cable is also on Amazon, and you can purchase it there. This happens to be a 15-foot cable that we purchased, but check your length on your particular boat that you have. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.